Hi, thanks for clicking. North London Toyota here, and I'm proud to present to you today a 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited. The odometer reading on this baby is just over 21,600, and this is a one-owner vehicle that was serviced by Toyota dealers. Of course, this comes with a Toyota Certified Used Vehicle designation, and being a 2019, features our Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. Of course, it comes with Apple CarPlay, those nice alloy rims, and a whole bunch of other features. Let's go look at them now. So now that we're inside, go over a lot of the features that we have here, and being a Limited, it does have a lot of features. Of course, it does come with the power windows, the power locks, and your power mirrors. You can see it does have the driver memory as well. And of course, you won't be able to see, but it does have the power driver seats. And you can see the buttons there. It does have the automatic high beams, which is part of our Toyota Safety Sense. You do get that bird's eye view camera, the heated steering wheel, and the power back door. On your steering wheel, it has your functions for your volume and your track here, as well as your toggle switch to get through your multi-informational display unit there. And of course, your dynamic radar cruise control settings and your lane departure assist as well. See, it does come with that dual zone climate control. Has these nice big rugged knobs for you. Of course, there's the heated seats, which is one of my favorite features, but of course this does come with ventilated seats as well, as you can see indicated by the blue bar there. Of course, there is a USB charger outlet there right near the driver, but it also does have that Qi wireless charging as well. Nice big display unit. It is the home of your backup camera, as you can see here, but also of your audio, your phone, and the embedded navigation as well, as you'll see. It does come with an electric parking brake, as well as the brake hold function feature as well. And it does have a bunch of different drive modes. You can see it's got a nice beautiful black leather interior. In the back as well. Of course, it comes with the sunroof, and it comes with your SOS button, which is part of the Toyota Safety Connect and the Toyota Connected Services. Push button start. So we'll just take a look at the back of this RAV here. As you'll see, as is the case with all of our RAVs, there is a ton of storage space in the back here. You can see the JBL speaker system there. It does come with that tonneau cover, which is spring-loaded and can be stored under here with your spare tire as well. So it's in the car when you need it and available for you. It does have that 60-40 split in the back seats, just to give you the flexibility when it comes to storage capacity. Hey, North London Toyota again. Thanks for sticking with me. If you'd like to book an appointment for a test drive on this RAV or any of our new or pre-owned stock, you can call or text me anytime at 226-268-3504, or just come see me at North London Toyota at our new location at the corner of Highbury and Fanshawe Park Road. Just don't forget to ask for Troy. Thank you so much, everyone. I do look forward to working with you. Happy shopping.